Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign out or log out of your GoCardless account. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. What you need to do first of all is open any type of browser you have on your PC and go to GoCardless and sign into your account. If you don't have an account, you can sign up for GoCardless now. So as soon as you sign into your account, you will see this type of profile. Now what you need to find is settings, which is here on the right hand side. As soon as you click on settings, you should scroll a bit down and you will find sign out. Just go ahead and click sign out and there you go. You will be successfully signed out of your GoCardless account. Make sure you do know your login credentials because you might have to again forget your password and reset it. So make sure you do know your credentials. I'm going to show it to you once again. Open GoCardless.com, log into your account, and you will see this type of interface. What you need to do then is click on settings, scroll a bit down and find sign out. Go ahead and tap on sign out, and as soon as you click on sign out, you will be signed out of your account officially. So guys, this is how you sign out of your GoCardless account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.